There are 6 kinds of chemical reactions, but the first kind is synthesis. A synthesis reaction is where 2 parts make one product. Here, A plus B yields AB. Here, decomposition is the opposite of synthesis, whereas it takes a product and yields parts from the product. Here, AB yields A plus B. A single replacement reaction is where a lone element, here it's A, replaces a compound element. Similar to the single replacement, the double replacement does the same thing pretty much, and the positive ions switch roles. A combustion reaction is where fuel, which is made of carbon, hydrogen, or oxygen, plus O2 yields carbon dioxide plus H2O. An acid-base reaction is the same thing as a double replacement reaction, except the thing that switches is a positive hydrogen. If you were to want to learn how to name an acid, you can check out my other video, but that's not going to be on this final. Now, let's dive into balancing equations. O2 plus H2 yields H2O. So, first, we see on our reactant side, we have 2 oxygens. So, for the H2O, in order to get 2 oxygens, we have to put a 2 in front of there to satisfy the 2 O's. But then we have a problem, because then that means there are 4 H's, because if you multiply 2 times H2, that's 4 H's. So, in order to satisfy that, we're going to need to plug in a 2 in front of the reactant H2. Just a quick correction before we start this one. The F2 in front is supposed to be iron, which is Fe. My bad. F2O3 plus C yields Fe plus C. First, let's start off by balancing the oxygens. So, O3 and O2, let's meet by putting a 3 in front of the... Now that we have 3 CO2, we need to balance the reactant C, so we can just stick a 3 in front of there, and then the C's are good. And now all we have left to do is balance out the irons. So 2 times 2 is 4, so that's 4 irons, so let's just stick a 4 in front of the iron on the product side, and this is balanced. Now, MnO4 plus H yields Mn plus H2O. I'm going to let you guys work this one out. I'll give you some time. Let me just drink some water. I'm sure you did great, but let me explain this one now. Alright, so first let's balance out the O's. So, to get 4 O's on the right side, we gotta put a 4 in front of the H2O. Now that the 4 is there, now on the product side it's 8 H's, so let's just stick an 8 in front of the H on the product side, and now that the H's balance out and the MN's look good, so this equation is balanced. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your final exam. I'm sure you'll do great.